Applying for a Klarna credit card is a straightforward process that allows you to enjoy flexible payment options. Here's how to do it. Download the Klarna app. Start by downloading the Klarna app from the App Store or Google Play Store. If you already have it, open the app and log into your account. Navigate to the credit card section. In the app, look for the card or credit card section. This may be found under the Payments or Account tab. Review the terms. Before applying, read the terms and conditions, including interest rates and fees associated with the Klarna credit card. Ensure you understand how the card works. Fill out the application. Click on the Apply button to start the application process. You will need to provide personal information such as your name, address, income, and social security number for verification. Submit your application. After filling out the required fields, review your information and submit the application. Await approval. Klarna will review your application and notify you of the decision via the app or email. This usually takes a few minutes to a couple days. Receive your card. If approved, you will receive your Klarna credit card in the mail and you can start using it for purchases.